Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create right triangle using CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. The code is going to be very simple and easy to understand. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Give it a class right triangle. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select right triangle class. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Width will be 0. Height will be 0. Border top will be 100 pixel solid transparent. Copy and paste it. Make it bottom. Border left will be 200 pixel solid light coral. Now pay a very close attention here. You can see the border for top and bottom is 100 pixels and border left is 200 pixels, which is double of it. So in case if I set top and bottom 50 pixels, then left should be 100 pixels. That's all what you need to create a right triangle using CSS. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.